Hello everyone, I'm Jankhana Kapasi and I represent the Northern College in India. Northern College is located in the city of Timmins, which is in the province of Ontario. We are a government funded public institute established in the year 1967. Northern College offers close to 50 plus full time programs with options both in undergrad and postgrad diplomas. I'm very excited to be a part of Canadian admissions fair and workshop organized by Canam Consultants this September. Canam Group has been one of our prestigious and respectable partners in India who has recruited quality students for Northern College for close to a decade now. They have a very experienced team who can help you with the entire process of studying in Canada. So, if you want to know more about the programs and other relevant information about Northern College, I would prefer to meet you personally at the events in the hotels. In case if you are not able to visit me personally, then you can also connect with me virtually in room number 62 from 7th to 18th September on a date and time convenient to you. So hurry up and register now, and I'll see you soon. Thank you and have a great day ahead.